It's an FYI. Email us if we need to get the crank to do it. You can also heat the crank up, and it'll just fall off. You know, so you expand. I have not touched a weld on this. It's all done with bolts and screws.
Yeah, yeah.
So anyway, so that's how it's all put together. All you do is reverse the thing, and it's real easy to get on. It's not like a dangerous machine, so I'm going to come right at you. And I think I got enough air in the tire. But all you do is I just ride along like a skateboard. You get up going on it, and you pop right up. And then you get off, you hit the brake, and you step down. So
it's actually the flex of that tube.
Yeah. Oh, your handlebars?
The handlebars are attached to.
Big time, yeah.
Oh. Hey, those were loose, weren't they?
Yeah, I gave a pivot right before I started, too.
that was fun, Steve.
Hopefully we won't be needing
I know it was nice.
Sandeep, working on his. Oh.
Babu.
Babu, working on Sandeep's. Okay.
Here, let's have a look. You know, that's a little bit right here, about between there. It's high there, and then let's try it.
It's probably better packed on that side than this side.
One off the press.
Yeah, you don't.
All right!
Yeah!
I asked if I had enough air. He said yes. I said, well, it'll be cushy. First try.
There, he just needs to install a cable and lever.
Yeah, mine's got a coaster. I like it better.
How's that handle?
Good. What's it loose?
Dude, I wrenched on that. You have to
What's loose?
How's it handle?
He's got a standard.
Oh, okay.
All right. So we're good, huh? Get both sides?
Well, you want to just tack one side.
Oh.
And then we wiggle it around a little bit.
Damn it!
So put it and,
All right.
you know, wrap it around.
Thin shit, man.
Take a picture.
Video.
Video worse.
I know.
Here comes Marsh.
Watch this.
Wow.
All right. Getting turned around is always a trick. Oh, and it gets off at the side of the pickup truck.